Hello everyone, Kalila Clark here, one of your equine product specialists at Pulse Equine. And in today's webisode, we're going to be talking about equine detoxes from PEMF sessions. Now, we're taking the time to discuss equine detox because it is an occurrence that PEMF can trigger and it produces many different forms. Now, the term detoxification refers to the release of toxins from their binding sites. And detoxing is a natural process that can be expedited when using PEMF because we are exercising these cells and aiding them to expel these toxins to be able to absorb more nutrients. Now, there are four major systems that can eliminate these expelled toxins, and they are the respiratory system, the digestive system, the urinary system, and the dermal or skin system. Now, these four systems eliminate toxins in different ways. With the respiratory system, you can see horses having a runny nose or runny eyes, sweating, or increase in respiratory rate. In the digestive and urinary system, you can see frequent urination, changes to the stool, as well as being off their feet. With the dermal system, of course, you can see skin reactions, and there's a wide range to what those can look like. Now, there are other symptoms that you can see that are not particularly linked to one of these systems, and that would be sleepiness or sluggishness, increase in heart rate, as well as brain involvement changes, such as behavior changes. Now, you always want to consult a veterinarian when any odd signs or behavior changes occur after a PEMF session. We cannot disregard these signs and just call them a detox. Now, there are two ways to handle detox in horses. The first would be to prepare the client for the detox. This is why it is so important to have pre-session consultations. Learning all you can about the horse and its routine can help you prepare for what reactions may occur. Checking what medications they're on or supplements or even something as if they've had fly spray within the past 24 hours can help identify the cause of the reaction, whether it was the PEMF session or another entity. The second thing that you can do is offer a trickle charge or a low and slow session if a detox reaction occurs. A nice whole body slow session can help manage that detox reaction. Now, there's a couple of points that I'd like for you to consider. And that would be that if this is the first time a horse is being pulsed, or if there's their first time being pulsed after a hard competition, you do want to pulse lower than you normally would. You just want to see light visible pulsing, nothing too hard. The horse's body needs to have a good slow introduction to the pulse in these first time situations. And of course, it can manage the detox effects as well. Now, detox is bound to happen. So it is best to be prepared for any of its effects on any horse. So guys, I hope this gives you a great intro and overview of detoxing horses after PEMF sessions, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.